Hi everyone, I'm Tasha with Tasha's Touch Healing Jewelry. I recently had the pleasure of getting a recommendation for Robin and her wonderful shop, GlassSupply41.com, also on Etsy. Wow, I was so amazed. You know how it is when you write somebody on Etsy or not on Etsy, and it takes them forever to get back to you? Not Robin. She got back to me in 15 minutes. Yeah. So I just wanted to do a little thank you video because I got to tell you, there's nothing better than great customer service. We all know that. And you deserve a great big kudos, Robin. Yes, you do. If I lived next door to you, girl, I'll be baking you cake and frying you chicken all the time. So let's turn the camera around and let's see what I got. So you see, it comes with every single thing you need besides the wool to keep your rod clean. And I also ordered some copper patina. Everything. This is just a little cart. It doesn't come in the cart. This is what I was really shocked about. All these different copper foils. And she tells you on the paper exactly, this is, I know it looks like one. It's not one. It's like 5 papers and she staples them all together. Right? All these different copper tape is for a different type of thing. See? And then there's 3 of those. I didn't take the staple out. Sorry. So forth and so on. Okay? Look at that. This is a great, great deal. Okay? I'm doing this also so you guys will know that it's, I mean, yeah, we see her picture, which is beautiful, by the way. Yet we all know things are different when we can see it, you know, one by one. So I wanted to, so I thought I'd make a video for all of you to see it one by one. You know? Four pages of instructions. And the best thing about her is she's so smart. Other stuff you're gonna need, she put it on the back. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Who does that? Robin. Robin's the only one that does that. You know, look at that. That's 6 pages of information. Sorry. 6 pages of information. I have been on Etsy since 2006. No one's ever done this much for me, for their customers. You know? Robin, I thank you. I thank you, thank you, thank you. There's no better feeling than knowing somebody's just going to answer your question. You know? So there you go. No, you can't have my amethyst. Yes, you get all... Oh, there's another pair this size. But that was my very first piece that I did last night after my box opening. Robin, thank you so much for your time, your patience. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to doing lots and lots and lots of business with you. Oh, I forgot. I'm supposed to be looking over there. Sorry. Thank you so much, my dear. I love you, and I hope you're having a beautiful day. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.